be off in style. Let's wave to them as they go by. It's feature time for Bandits Bracket B. They just did it. As the drivers are all waving to you back, they're ready to go racing. They've been sitting in those pits for a little while, 35 laps. Winner take all for these Bandits in Bracket B. Following the rest of the lineup, the 21 of Dallas Chandler, the 193, Ryan Tom. You look at Cole Trickle and Rowdy Burns racing. All right, car corner lights are off. Pace car is ducking in as Dave Lepke is going to bring them around. Here they come! Great flag and we're racing!
And it looks like a good start so far. 3 wide in the turns 1 and 2 already. Osborne in the 19X machine out front.
And breakout Sean Bauer just went through the middle there. And that 25 car looking pretty good there in that orange and white 25. He's going to make his move on the 44.
Clyde Lindmith.
Ron Osborne out in front right now, followed by Thomas Andrus, followed by the 00 of Cameron Maddie.
Couple of Bandit drivers familiar. They've rode this track all year long. Doesn't surprise me that those two are back in 1 and 2.
As the Dave Lepke just about took the 7 car of Mark Swan sideways. Almost got ugly for Swan. And Sean Bauer in the 25 and the 44 of Kyle Lindmuth making contact as they're coming into turn 3 now. We might go 3 wide between the 06, the 57, and the 55.
Yeah, but Osborne and Andrus, your leaders, are on a nice little 1-2 pace around the track. Cameron Maddie in that 00 in that 3rd spot. Mark Swan, Matt Chester, your top 5.
Dave Lemke definitely off the pace a little bit. He went from 1st, and he's just about to last now. Something's off in that 06 car. Now the 21 car looking to pass him by. That's Dallas Chandler. As we've got 3 wide there between the 511 and the 44. Oh, 511 and 44 side by side. Getting pretty close there. Pushing up Bauer up onto the wall.
Yeah, it was either go high or go low on that one.
Cole Trickle's got flat traffic coming into her rear view mirror. That would be the 210 of Katie Hockey.
Maddie and Swan go side by side along the start-finish line there. But it's still Osborne in the 19. And at 83 of Thomas Andrus, your leaders. But watch out for Cameron Maddie in the 00.
Maddie in that old school Mustang. Looks like it may be a late 80s style there as the 47 of Ronnie Robinson pulling in the pits. So here comes Cameron Maddie charging in the inside of Thomas Andrus for 2nd place. Mark Swan is right there in that 7 car. Ron Osborne hanging on with all he can. Thomas Andrus says, let's go. And it's now Matt Chester and Sean Bauer battling it out. Sean Bauer getting around Matt Chester.
Osborne still in first. 3 wide along the stretch here. Andrus, Marty, and Swan, your top 5 now.
3 wide for 2nd. Everything's right behind our leader. Oh, Mark Swan dropped off a little bit. Here comes the 511 of Kyle Royster.
Oh, Andrus!
Oh, Andrus into the wall. He's still maybe saving it. He's got it going again. Good driving by Thomas Andrus.
Yeah, he almost took out the 157 of Ricky Wilson amongst that. There's Andrus now having big-time problems as Sean Bauer passes him as well. Osborne still hanging on to that lead. He's stuck to that outside. The fun is coming up on him, though, quick, as Manny and Swan are there.
Here comes Kyle Royster in the 511. Kyle Royster sliding into this fun game, looking to challenge the 7 car of Mark Swan. And Ron Osborne's got his hand full. Here comes Cameron Matty to take the lead.
Wow.
That old school Mustang is your leader.
Super staying in the lead. Osborne now in second with Swan and Royster right there. Oh, we got trouble with the 14.
Ooh.
Al Strobel in the 14.
That Chester plows into Strobel. Ouch.
Took out Ricky Wilson in the 157 over there is where the trouble started.
Well, it looks like Matt Chester's got the car fired up here.
Yeah, the 14 machine lost it going into turn one and was trying to just hang on.
The 14 driver Al Strobel out of Iron Ridge, Wisconsin. His home track is Slinger Speedway. The 157 car sitting over there of Ricky Wilson. He just drove a Roadrunner race.
Yeah, he
Ricky
did.
Wilson out of Frankfort, Illinois. Corner pace car are off. Ron Osborne in that 19X car. Going to go ahead and bring them around. As they're now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come, they come. Green flag and we're racing.
Oh, and it's tight amongst the leaders already as the number 20 of Ryan Nelson tried to sneak his way in there as the 28 of Nathan Harlan got wild and crazy in turn one.
Mark Swan, Kyle Royster deciding to make a little contact there in the 7 and 511.
Anyway, you
As
can
we
work
may have a new leader. Here comes Cameron Matty. Mark Swan trying to go with them. No, Sean Bauer says, no, I want that spot. Sean could make it 3 wide. He's done it before.
And it's
trying to give Ron Osborne a push.
Top 5 all bottled up together. Whoa! Goodness.
Mark Swan decided to give the 00 car a push. And that never works out.
They were definitely fast on that backstretch, fast coming out of turn 2.
Works on out. Ron Osborne going to pull them around again as they are now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come, they come, they go. Green flag and we're racing. Here comes Kyle Royster to try to take that lead away from Ron Osborne. It's Kyle Royster out front now. Wow, he's fast.
Yeah, better watch his time, too.
Here comes the 21 of Dallas Chandler looking to try to make that move on Ron Osborne as well.
Trouble for the top qualifier in that 27 of Sean Rudolph as he checks his way all the way to the back. But it's Kyle Royster in the 511 currently out front. Osborne is in second. Chandler in third, Chester in fourth. Linmuth in fifth in that 44 machine. He's trying to work the low side.
So it's Royster, Chandler, Osborne, Linmuth, and Chester.
Checking the times of Royster as he's zooming around at a good clip. Chandler in that second spot. Osborne in a deep third.
Here's Sean Bauer in the back trying to challenge Cameron Matty there. Both of them started in the front there. Got a long way to go.
Todd.
Got about 13 laps to go, and Scott Ingram almost went sideways.
Yeah, he's been having problems in turns 1 and 2.
And the word is the 21 car, Dallas Chandler, breaks out. As he's now going to have to get the black flag and go to the back of the pack, or actually clear off the track.
Still gives Kyle Royster as your leader. Ronald Osborne now in second. Glenn Mute in third. Chester in fourth. Carlson in fifth.
So the 21 Dallas Chandler happened to leave the track as he got the black flag for breaking out.
Mark Swan in that 7 machine trying to work the low side as he got a little squirrely there. Bounced off Dave Lemke in the 6 machine. And Lemke's going to have all kinds of problems now as he goes into 1 and 2 as he spun the other direction. And that will draw the caution as the 60 of Scott Ingram. He's got all kinds of problems in that 60 machine. Turns 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
He does here. Ronald Osborne, is rolling along pretty good, but Kyle Royster's kind of going easy here. It seems to be working. Let's see what he does.
He's wolfing it.
Going to pick up speed. He's going to pick up a lot of speed. Here he comes, Kyle Royster in the Ross Steel Collision Center. Restart, green flag, we're racing.
Yeah, I think he caught everybody sleeping there. Look at this big gap after that start. Good job by Kyle Royster. They get things rolling again here.
Strategy. Strategy for Kyle Royster.
Strategy always pays. It always pays.
Kyle Lindmuth now moving into second place. Matt Chester starting to look at Ronald Osborne here.
Yeah,
third.
25 machine of Sean Bauer kind of trying to work his way back into that top 5.
Sean Bauer there now in the top 5 in that 25. Here comes Cameron Maddie working from the back near the front. That 00.
Kyle Carson in that 55 machine's kind of bouncing off everybody a little bit as the 7 machine of Mark Swan almost had a big problem. Look at Kyle Royster go. He is 1.5 seconds ahead of the 44 of Kyle Lindmuth. Osborne still in that 3rd spot. Chester in the 73, now contested by the 25 of Sean Bauer. Trailing them, Cameron Manny in that 00. He was up there earlier. Katie Hocking in the 210 machine. She's broke out, so she'll have to drift away. But it's Kyle Royster. 4 to go, and that 511 machine. Kyle Lindmuth in that 2nd spot, and the battle's at 3rd between Bauer and Osborne. Right now it's Bauer over Osborne. And Cameron Maddie in that 00. Now door to door with Osborne on the back stretch in the turns 3 and 4. Osborne taking it way high. Royster with 2 to go, making it look easy. A white flag is out. Can Kyle Royster not break out and win it? Clyde Lindmuth in a good spot for 2nd. Sean Bauer in that 25 machine has worked himself up to 3rd. Here we come to the line. It's Kyle Royster, your winner. 44, Clyde Lindmuth in 2nd. Sean Bauer, the 25, 3rd. Cameron Maddie, the 00 in 4th. And Ronald Osborne in the 19X are your top 5.
Wow. I got to ask him about that last restart. I thought that was pretty cool. Kyle Royster with this fast car. He's strapping off here. Those helmets are on there tight. He's off. He's worked up a sweat. He's trying to get out. Here, ladies and gentlemen, Kyle Royster. My God, how you feeling, Kyle?
Ecstatic.
Kyle, okay, I loved watching this, but strategy on the restart, is that what really helped you out?
I gotta say that's what helped me on that one. Maybe a little bit early, but hey, sometimes you gotta play to win the game.
Yeah, I've seen this all day today. You weren't the first. You psyched them all off. You're kind of nice and easy. Bam, you're gone. Here we go. Kyle, where are you from?
Cedar Lake, Indiana.
Kyle, where's your home racetrack?
South Bend.
South Bend Speedway. Have you ever been to Rockford Speedway before?
I've won here like 4 years ago.
Very nice. Kyle, do you have anybody you want to thank?
My dad, he put so much work into this. We blew this thing up in Kalamazoo, and we found the motor, and this is just awesome.
That you that right, Kyle. You got your moment of glory here. You're in victory lane. You are the Bahama Brackets B bracket champion. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, Kyle Royster. Kyle Royster just having the day of his life. Amazing on that. As we got one more race to go, we've got double B bracket. I think it's 25 laps. You must be Dad. I'd be honored to shake your hand, sir. Great job. He is having the time of his life here today. Outstanding. All right. It's double B bracket feature time, the last feature of the day.